All right, guys, so you can tell what's going on behind me already, and from the thumbnail, we've made it here. We are at Bradenton Motorsports Park, and we are racing Cleetus McFarland's F150 with the Whipple. So we've got our Hellcat Ram here, and today it's gonna go down. So if you guys watched last video, we ended up doing a ton of last minute prep to try to get this thing ready to go. His truck is a lot more saucy than we had originally anticipated, so we ended up pulleying down, doing some last minute mods, and hopefully we should be able to keep pace, but we're gonna find out here in today's video. So let's go ahead and get into it. Got a Silverado with a big single. This thing looks stock though. I said it looks stock. How much jam are you making?
About 800.
Nice. Yeah, this thing looks clean, man. You got enough tire to hook, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Have you ran it before? Or?
I've done 8th mile stuff with it.
Yeah. Any like fast, high speed?
Trying to figure out what gear to.
I know. That's where I'm at too. I'm
It's
just
only
like
in 3-speed, so I'm like, do I do it in first, or do I do it at the bottom of second, and just hope that it has enough torque to carry it?
Yeah.
We got a 10-speed automatic, built trans, stock engine.
Yeah.
Which is cool because you kind of have a stock Hellcat engine, you know.
This thing's a monster.
This has a bolt-on blower, you know, Whipple supercharger. It's just got a fuel system. That's pretty much it. And oil pump gears.
Yeah.
The engine is like literally stock. So.
I know. You're almost turning me into a Ford guy.
It almost turned me into a Ford guy. I'm like, oh yeah.
Yeah, no, this thing's awesome.
Yeah, dude, I'm glad you came out. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll see what she runs. All right, so we're gonna go make a test pass because I don't want my first pass to be against Cleetus, so let's go see what she does. All right, so we just got a new file in it, a little revision. We're gonna go up for the second pass. All right, here we go. Shout out to Simpson Racing for keeping us safe on these crazy passes. Let's go. So we got 2 passes on it, you guys, and I pulled out a little bit of weight, pulled off the tailgate, and pulled out the passenger seat. But she seems like she wants to run at about 125 mile an hour, and Cleetus is trapping about 130, high of 130s, I believe. So we'll see how she goes. This is the first outing for this thing, you guys, fully set up. So she's doing phenomenal, but we are like testing on the fly as well. So it's pulling a bunch of timing right now just for like false knock, so should be able to. I just got a revision again, so we're gonna try that, maybe run it back with Cleetus, and we'll have some fun. Check out Coop's blower. Oh, he's got the little pulley. This thing is sick too. little run.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that was.
I don't know, like you were, I think your car was like shifting a gear because I saw you nose forward and I nosed like at the end.
Yeah,
I don't know who got it, but
the trans. It said I won, but on the video it looked like your wind light came on. But on the slip it said
it looked like
won.
I just nosed you at the very end,
Yeah,
but I don't know where the actual light was or the cone.
I had a mile, like I had a mile an hour or two on you because I have the slip.
Yeah, I think. Well, you have the slip.
Yeah, because I went 127, you went 126, and it says I think I got the wind light.
Yeah, whatever it says.
I don't know, I mean,
they
hey.
were so damn close. That was a nice race.
Yeah, when my car, I think the trans is a little warm, so it's being slow on the 3/4 shift to try to like save itself.
Yeah.
And that's when I was like, I could feel it kind of just like.
My trans was not happy on that one. It literally lit up and like went into limp mode after. But I think everybody's kind of same thing happening. Even he said it.
That's what they're doing. They're trying to save themselves a little bit here. That was a good run though, man.
Yeah,
that was fun.
Yeah, you're pulling for sure. Yeah. Whatever you think. Whatever you think. Maybe give me a little hit and see what happens. Maybe I'll get like a little hit and see what happens. Yeah? Alright. Who's the next victim?
Going for the Silverado.
Alright. Got him. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. So overall, the truck did really good for its first outing. I'm super happy, super impressed with just the fact that we came out here. This is the first time this truck has hit the strip and hit the track since we built it, and she lasted the entire day of beating on it. So it is pulling some timing right now. We looked at the data logs, so we got to figure that stuff out, but at the same time too, it's just straight header right now, so probably has something to do with it pulling timing and getting some phantom knock. But anyways, super happy overall. Cleetus's truck is a beast. You guys already knew that. If you guys are curious how this truck was built, we have the complete build on this channel, so go check it out and you can see how we built it. But super happy to come out. Thanks again to Cleetus for letting us come here, and we'll see you guys on the next video.